welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue on our exciting series, Welcome to High School. Alright, today our main focus will be on fractions 1. So we are focusing on introduction, equivalent fraction, improper fraction and mixed numbers, improper fraction and mixed numbers. Okay, sorry, I wrote that twice. Then fractions in lowest terms, then finally ordering of fractions. Alright, now for the introduction, we have this. This is a whole, so this can be divided as 1. But if we divide it into 2, it has 2 parts. So we have 1/2. So if we divide it into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you pick out one part of it, for instance, this will give me 1/4. 1 out of the 4 parts. Like this other case, it was actually 1 out of the 2 parts. So this is divided as the numerator, and this is the denominator for the fraction. Okay. All right. So the first example we are to convert 3/4 to find the equivalent of 3/4. The first 3 equivalent of 3/4. So we have the first one. We have 3. Sorry, let me change the marker. Alright, so 3, I'll multiply it by 2/2. This will give me 3 times 2 will give me 6. 4 times 2 will give me 8. Next one, the same 3/4 times 3/3. So 3 times 3 gives me 9. 4 times 3 gives me 12. Next one we have 3/4 times 4/4. So 3 times 4 gives me 12. 4 times 4, 16. So the first 3 equivalent of 3/4 is 6/8, 9/12, and 12/16. The next one, we to find the equivalent of 2/7. 2/7. So for 2/7, alright, times 2/2. 2 times 2 gives me 4. 7 times 2 gives me 14. The next one is 2/7 times 3/3. 2 times 3 gives me 6. 7 times 3, 21. Next one, 2/7 times 4/4. So 2 times 4 gives me 8. 7 times 4 gives me 28. So the first 3 equivalents of 2/7 is 4/14, 6/21, and 8/28. Alright, for the next one we are going to improper fractions and mixed numbers. Alright, so we are going to convert the following mixed numbers to improper fraction. The first one is 3 whole number 4/5. The second one is 6 whole number 2/3. Wow, I don't think I can actually solve this. Can I find a solution somewhere? Actually, I think you can. For the first one, we have 3 whole number 4/5. All I need to do is 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 4 gives me 19. So we have 19/5. For the second one, we have 6 whole number 2/3. So same thing I did. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 2 gives me 20/3. It's as simple as that. Please, can I help you solve the next one? Next one says convert the following improper fractions to mixed numbers. The first one I have 18/7. Alright, so 7 goes into 18. That will give me 2 times, plus 7 times 2 gives me 14. So 18 minus 14 gives me 4. So 4/7. Last one, 47/8. So 8 goes into 47. That will be 5 times, because 8 goes into 47 is 5 times. That is 5 times 4 5 times 8 will give me 40. So it's 5 times 47 minus 40 gives me 7 over 8. So 47 over 8 as a mixed number is 5 whole number, 7 over 8. Wow, that was wonderful from a concerned neighbor. All right, let's go to the next example. So we have to express the following fractions in their lowest terms. Now the first one we have 22 over 44. So in this case now, 2 goes into 22, that is 11. 2 goes into 44, 2 goes into 4, 2 times, 2 goes into 4, 2 times. So in this case now, 11 can also go in here. So 11 goes into 11, that's 1. And 11 goes into 22, that is 2. All right, the next one we have 210 divided by 480. In this case now, I can actually say 0 cancels 0, if you don't mind. Next one, we are going to have 21 over 48. So 3 goes into 21, that is 7 times. Now 3 goes into 4, that is 1, remainder 1. 3 goes into 18, that is 6. So finally we have 7 over 16. Alright, for the last part, we are going to ordering of fractions. The last example says, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Alright, when you hear of ascending order, it means from the lowest term, the highest term. Alright, so in this case now, we have 2 over 5, 1 over 3, 3 over 7. For the first thing we are going to do, we are going to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. So we have 5, 3, 7. So 3 goes first because 3 is the lowest term there. So we have 5, 1, 7. 5 goes into 5, 1, 1. We still have 7. So 7 goes here, 1, 1, 1. So we have 3 times 5 times 7. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 7 is 105. So the LCM of 3, 5, and 7 is 105. So the LCM in this case is 105. So we are going to multiply all through by the LCM of the denominators. That means I'll pick each of the fraction and multiply by 105. Now watch this, 2 over 5 times 105. 1 over 3 times 105. And 3 over 7 times 105. So 5 goes into 10, that is 2 times, 5 goes into itself 1. 2 times 21 will give me 42. Alright, the next one, 3 goes into 10, that is 3 times remainder 1. 3 goes into 15, that is 5 times. 1 times 35 is 35. Now, last one, 7 goes into itself, 1 goes into 10, that is 1 time, remainder 3. 7 goes into 35, that is 5 times. So 3 times 15 gives me 45. So in this case now, with these numbers, we can actually arrange this in ascending order. So the lesser number here is 35. It therefore means we have 1 over 3 first. Next one we have is 42. So we have 2 over 5. And the last one is 45, which goes with 3 over 7. So the fractions in ascending order will be 1 over 3, 2 over 5, and 3 over 7. For the last one, we have 2 over 3, 1 over 6, 3 over 5. So what we just did here, you have to find the LCM of the denominators first. So now we have 3, 6, and 5. Alright, so you're going to use 2 in the first place. So 2 goes into 3, cannot. We have 3. 3 goes into 6 is 3 times. Alright, so 3 cannot go into 5, so we bring down the 5. Next factor we are going to use is 3. 3 goes into 3, 1 goes here, 1, and 5. Next one is 5. 5 goes 1, 1, 1. So we have 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 gives me 30. So So the LCM of 3, 2, sorry, the LCM of 3, 6, and 5 gives me 2 times 3 times 5, which is equals to 30. So in this case now, I'm going to multiply each of the fraction with the LCM. So now, the first one is, let's use this other part of the board, 1 over 3 times 30. So 3 goes into itself, 1 goes in here, 1 goes in here, 0. So we have 1 times 10 is 10. Next one says 1 over 6 times 30 over 1. 6 goes into itself, 1 goes into 30 5 times. 1 times 5 is 5. The next one is 3 over 5. So 3 over 5 times the LCM, which is 30. 5 goes into itself, 1 goes into 30. That's 6 times. 3 times 6 gives me 18. So in this case now, we are going to arrange the fractions in ascending order based on the values we have here. Now, the first one, the lowest number here is 5. So 5 represents what? The 1 over 6. So we have 1 over 6 as the lowest fraction here. Next one says 10. 10 is equivalent to this 1 over 3. So we have 1 over 3. And the last one we have is 3 over 5. So arranging these numbers in ascending order, 1 over 3, 2 over 5, and 2 over 3 and 1 over 6, and 3 over 5 in ascending order is this.
Wow, we've come to the end of our lesson today. I hope you learned a lot. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Toodles.